Step inside our world, a simple charm, where the kitchen's warm and hearts disarm. Tune in, find what Grandma passed along. Southern roots, just like a timeless song.
Alright, we're doing a little bit of a different video today. We're going to do the Amish bread starter, and then it's going to be a 10-day process, and we will keep up with it as we go. So I've got a 1/4 cup of warm water. I'm going to add 2 and 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, and I'm going to let this hang out for about 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright, so for the rest of the recipe, simply a cup of sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, as I should say. I'm sure this is a very familiar recipe. Tons of people have seen it. Probably a lot of you have tried it. It's a recipe that you can share with friends. But you know what? I love it. It's good. And I've had somebody that's been asking for some starter. So that's what we're fixing to do. So I've got that added. I'm going to add in my yeast and water mixture. Then I'm going to add a cup of milk. We're going to give this a mix. Make sure it's mixed and incorporated really good. All right. You're going to have some lumps. That's fine. I'm going to loosely cover this with the lid, and it's going to hang out for a day or two, and we'll be back to check in on it. Catch you later.